Hi students, I want to share with you something that I have made and I will share it in WhatsApp as a PDF or as a Word document if you like. This is a sample schedule for what your week could look like for Burlington English. We have found that students who make a plan for how they will get their time do a better job, and it is easier for students to find time for the 12 hours of studying if you make a plan. It might change during the week, but it is good to start out with an idea. So for example, if this was you working on this one for the week coming up, that would be October 4th, 2020 through October 10th, 2020. If you can print, you are welcome to print this and write these numbers, or if you want to use it on your computer like this, you can, or if you want to write something like this somewhere else, it is up to you. This is optional, but just want to show you how 12 hours might look for someone. So for example, if we think about Sunday, maybe you have some time in the morning, just 1 hour here. So I didn't put, you can put the time 9 o'clock, or maybe you think it's going to be 9:30 to 10:30. Anything that is your plan, okay? But here is 1 hour. So I'm going to say a little time Sunday morning, then Sunday afternoon and evening, no studying. Later in the evening from 8 to 10, I will do 2 hours. So the total time for that day would be 3 is my plan. So then we look at the week, and I know that I have things going on with my children and with work, so I need to get up early a few mornings a week to study. So if I say I will study 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., just 1 hour, I know I won't do this every day. I'll say, let's do 3 days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that's 1 hour those mornings. Down here, Monday night, I think I will have 1 hour that I can stay awake and pay attention to studying. So I will put 1 hour there. My plan is to do 2 hours on Monday. And my plan would be the same on Wednesday and Friday. But Friday I decide I will take off the night. I will not work on Friday night on Burlington. I will just do 1 hour in the morning. Okay, so then my Tuesday and my Thursday, I say, you know, I will work in my lunch break. I will work 12 to 1 o'clock, okay? Maybe I think I can only get 30 minutes. I can do 12:30 to 1 o'clock on those days, so that would just be 30 minutes. So then I need to find 30 minutes, and I'll say, okay, when I get home after dinner, maybe before dinner, I will work 5 to 5:30 to make 1 hour. This is just one example of what might be possible. So that's how I find 1 hour in my day here. I have my 2 hours, 1 early hour, 1 late hour. Here I'm going to work a full hour in the afternoon, I think. That will be my 1 hour this day. Friday I'm going to do the morning. That's it. And then Saturday I have a little more time I can do. In the morning, 2 more hours. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like that, I have made my 12 hours for the week. This is the requirement. So I want you to think about your schedule, your routines, and where you will find time for Burlington. But you see, you can make 12 hours with just a few hours each day. Some days only 1 hour, okay? If you study every day a little time, it will be easy. If you do not study all week and you have 6 hours Saturday, 6 hours Sunday, this is too much, guys. It's too much time on the computer all at once. So try to find some times of your day where you can study 1 or 2, maybe 3 hours in one day. And this will make it easier for you to make your 12-hour goal every week. Okay? So I will share this document with you, and you can use it however it is helpful to you. And please ask me or your teacher if you have any questions. And we are looking forward to seeing good time from everybody in the month of October and in every month in Burlington English. Thank you.